Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to leave group in Messenger. To begin the process, open the Messenger application first. Now once you're at the home page of Messenger, you need to tap upon the group that you want to leave from. You just tap upon that group profile. Once you're at the group chat section, you need to tap on the eye icon on the top right corner. You tap that. This will direct you to this page where you will be able to see the group details. Here you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option of leave chat. You tap that. So in Messenger you can leave a group even if you are an admin. For that, you can either choose a new admin from the friend that you have on this group, or you can just leave it. Once you choose to leave this group, you will no longer be able to view messages that will be sent in this group anymore. You can also choose a new admin from the people listed under members. If you leave this group without choosing a new admin, the most senior group member will become the admin in this group. So to leave a group, you just tap on leave group. This way you will be removed from that group right away. So this is how you can leave a group on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.